Hello friends, today we are going to learn about filtering data in Google Sheets. Suppose that we have a list of movies which I obtained from IMDb, and this is the top 250 movies. And suppose that on a Friday night you want to watch a movie but you don't know which one to watch, or you cannot decide. So from this list we can make a search and filter this list according to our taste, and then we can decide on it. For this purpose we can use filter function, and in a different tab I made this outline. And for example, if you want to watch drama, we can type drama here, and with the filter function we can see a list of movies according to IMDb under genre drama. However, we have a problem here because when you type drama, filter function fetches only if the genre is drama. However, in our movie list, as you can see, we have drama, but also we have crime and drama, or we can have action, crime, drama, or biography, drama and history, etc. So with filter function, we cannot see this in our list, in our filtered list, because of this limitation. Filter function can only fetch if there's a 100% match. Even if I put a space at the beginning, as you can see, it will not fetch because there is no 100% match in our search box. So let me erase this space again, and we have the list. So if you want to see the other drama movies from this list, we can integrate another function with filter function, which is search, and this one can work like a searching for a tag, just like we do in Google search. What I mean is, if I type drama again here, as you can see now, it is fetching all the movies which includes this drama string, text string in the genre. So let me show you how we can do this from scratch. So I will copy this in a new spreadsheet. Okay, so we have copied our list of movies, top 250 movies, and we are going to add a new sheet. Let me first check this one to remove the grid lines. So first of all, let's copy this header to our sheet here, and we can also copy the width of columns. Okay, so here we are making our search box. So let's outline with border, and here let's type search. So the basic idea is whatever we type here, it is going to filter the data from our movie list. Let me show you first how we do with the filter the function. So we start with filter function, and now we have two basic parameters. First one is the range, and the second one is condition. So range is our list of movies here. Let me press Ctrl Shift down and then down arrow to select all the list here, and then do a comma. And now the condition. Condition is our genre. Let me go back to the top of the list. Genre should be equal to whatever we type in the search box. So let me type 250 here and equal to this search box and close parentheses. So now it says NA. To remove this, we can type if error If there is no match, give me a blank. So let's type drama again here. Okay, why it didn't bring? Sorry, it is E5, not E4. It is my bad. Now we have the list of movies with genre, but as I said, as we just talked about earlier, it only brings the movies with only genre, with only drama, if it's only drama written inside the cell. What about crime? If there is a crime movie here, crime, there is no match, although we have movies listed under crime, action, or etc. So let me undo this. Instead of this one, we are going to make another another setting here. Let's say, first of all, we are going to use search function. In search function, it's asking which word or string we are going to search and where to search. So the first parameter is search for, which is this. Word and text to search, we are going to search it here, and then we can close the parentheses. So if I type drama here, it will give me a 1. This one means that we have drama starting at position 1. And in other words, D of drama starts at the position 1 in E2 cell. So if you want to see whether it matches with the other cells, what we can do is we can copy this formula down. But before that, we have to lock this with F4 so that it is going to make the search according to the search box, whatever type we in this search box. So we made it fixed by pressing F4. Now we are going to copy this formula. And let me type it here quickly. 250 and then Control V. So as you can see, we have several numbers here and we have value errors. In order to get rid of this value error, what we can do is we are going to wrap this whole formula into an if error function. So let me go inside the cell again. And we add if error to the beginning of the existing formula, open a parenthesis, and if there is no match, give me a 0. If we leave it as a blank, then this search function does not work. So we have to put a 0 here. And we are going to copy the formula down again. Now we have some zeros if there is no match. And the other numbers showing the starting position. For example, this one. Here we have crime 5 characters, comma is 6, space is 7, and drama is 8. So D of drama starts at position 8 in E3 cell. So we can now integrate our search function with our filter function. What we can do, instead of E2 to E250 as a range, we are going to refer to H2 to H250, and we will type here, let's edit our existing function, H2 to H250, and we will say instead of equals to E5, we will say should be greater than 0. Now, because if there's drama written here, because those numbers are greater than 0, it fetches all the data, all the movies here. This is the first level. Suppose that we want to extend this search availability to other columns. What we can do is we can add the other columns in an OR argument. In an OR argument, for example, let me add another sheet. Suppose that we have some file numbers here. When we say when we write a condition, for example, a number should be greater than 2 and less than 5. Now we have two conditions here, right? And if we give a number and if we use AND function as a logical operator, if we use AND function, suppose we write 4, then Google Sheets will check whether this 4 both greater than 2 and less than 5. So because it is greater than 2 and less than 5, and then it will produce a true result. But if we, for example, write 6 here, according to our condition, it is greater than 2, but it is not less than 5, so it will give an false result. On the other hand, if we use OR operator here, in an OR operator, it will check the conditions, and if one of them or more than one is fulfilling the requirement, then it will give a true to us. So in our first example, if we type 4, yes, it is greater than 2 and less than 5, it fulfills the both conditions, so it will give a true. In our second example, if we type 6, now it will check it is greater than 2, yes, less than 5, no, but because one of the condition meets the requirement, it will give a true again. So with this logic, what we are going to do is we will extend this search to all the columns here, and we will make our function, and if any of the in the search, whatever we type in the search meets in any of the columns here, it will give a true, so it will fetch the movie from the list. So in order to do that, let me first copy this header again here and paste it here. So let's also move them to genre like this. So this is genre and it's located under K. So for this one, again, we are going to write our search function. Search for whatever we type in this search box and make it absolute reference with F4. Come back to our formula again, and where to look at it is title, which is B2. And remember, if there is no match, it will give us a value error. So in order to get rid of this, we will add if error at the beginning of the re-existing function, and if there is no match, give me a 0. So now it gives 0 to us. So if we extend this function to the right, let me check, it is B2, it's not fixed, and E5 is fixed, so we can simply extend to the right like this. Okay, and then let's copy this. And let me type it here again because it is easier. H3 to H250, no, sorry, L250, and paste it. So the next move is to make this change in our formula in order to refer this the other columns, and in order to apply the OR argument in our filter function, what we are going to do is we are going to put all condition ranges between parentheses first and combine them with plus. So let's first copy this and paste it again, put a plus in between. Now let me go back. We are going to write from H to L. So the first condition range is H. So let me copy this again with plus and put it here, H, I, put it again, J, we already have K here, and remove this plus here and put it here. And finally we are going to change it to L. So again, by combining all those ranges with a plus, we can make our search in all those columns here, and plus enter. Now, instead of drama, let's, for example, write 1994, so that it will make a search between the year. And as you can see, we have few movies produced in 1994. We can make a search under stars, let's say Arnold. And as you can see, we have Arnold Schwarzenegger. We have 2 movies from this list. Or we can make a search directly from the movie title. Come back here. And let's say Inception. As you can see, it also make a search under title column. The only thing that we have to be careful about with search function is this one is not case sensitive. If we have to be a case sensitive for some purpose, then we have to use find function instead of search. The formula structure is completely the same. We just write find instead of search. Let me quickly show you here. Sorry. Here. Let me highlight this range and Control H. We are going to write search and replace it find. Replace all. Search, find. Also search within formulas and then replace all. And then we have the new formula here. Now it gives no result because it has to be starting with capital I. So I change it. And now I can find it, Inception movie. Also, if I type drama with lower letter, as you can see, it cannot find. But if I make it capital, then we can find it. I think you like this tutorial. If you like it, please give a like, and also if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. I will see you in the next movie. Thanks for watching. Bye.